Hi, I'm back with another episode at Serendipity's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the flakiest, tallest biscuits
you can imagine.
They are so delicious, and you can have this ready in minutes on your breakfast table. It pairs perfectly with my mom's gravy recipe. Make sure you check it out for a great southern breakfast. The secret to perfect biscuits is extremely cold butter. So take a 3/4 cup of cold butter and cut it into little pieces. When you're done, stick it back in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now you're ready to combine the dry ingredients. Take 3 cups all-purpose flour, add 3 tablespoons sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 4 teaspoons baking powder. Also add a 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar and mix thoroughly. Now add in the butter that you've just taken out of the fridge and cut it in with a pastry cutter. Don't go too crazy here. In the end, when you've mixed everything together, you should still be able to see butter pieces throughout the dough. Pea-sized pieces are ultimately your goal, but don't overwork the butter. Next, make a well in your dry ingredients and crack 1 egg into it. Lightly scramble the egg and then add 1 cup of whole milk. Using a fork, start mixing it all together. Now you're ready to start rolling out your dough. Lightly flour the surface you will be using. Flour your hands and then start forming the dough into a ball. Start rolling out your dough and add flour as necessary to prevent sticking. You're going to want to roll your dough out, fold it up, and then repeat the process several times. This is what makes the biscuits flaky. Take your cookie sheet and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Now you're ready to cut your biscuits. I got this biscuit cutter from Pampered Chef. It came with several different sizes. Feel free to make your biscuits whatever size you want them. As for the thickness, around a 1/2 inch is good, or even bigger if you want an even taller biscuit. Alright, they're going in the oven! Put your biscuits in the oven at 450 degrees and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown on top. I know you'll love these biscuits, so I hope you give this recipe a try. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of future videos.